Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue which was Honorable Delhi High Court, and the issue was that due to retrospective amendment in some provision, whether the relief given by the tribunals to the assessee can be taken away by the miscellaneous application filed by the revenue. This issue has been taken up by the court in the case of National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 186 taxman.com 932, and the date of the judgment is 13th May 2026. The present case relates to the assessment year 86-87 to the assessment year 94-95. In the present case, the assessee was before the tribunal and the issue was regarding the deduction under section 80P subsection 2 clause A clause III. The tribunal allowed the appeal of the assessee according to the provision as on that date, and after allowing the appeal of the assessee, the legislature amended section 80P subsection 2 clause A clause III on 8th January 1999, and this amendment was brought with effect from 1st April 1968. The validity of this retrospective amendment was challenged in the High Court, and the challenge before the High Court about the retrospective amendment was dismissed by the High Court, and it was held that the retrospective amendment was justified, which was upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, when this retrospective amendment was brought in and the virus of that retrospective amendment was accepted by the High Court and simultaneously by the Supreme Court, meaning thereby that both the courts held that the retrospective amendment was justified. So after that, the revenue filed the miscellaneous application against the relief given by the tribunals by citing that there is mistake apparent from record because the law has been amended with retrospective effect. The tribunal allowed the miscellaneous application of the revenue, and the relief which was given to the assessee earlier was withdrawn through the miscellaneous application filed by the revenue. The assessee challenged this orders of the tribunal against the miscellaneous application in the Honorable Delhi High Court, and the Delhi High Court said that in the present case, when the law has been amended, then the amended provision be treated as existing on the date of the order by the tribunal, that is 31st January 1998, when the tribunal decided the appeals. It was the contention of the assessee that it is not mistake apparent from record, but Delhi High Court said that in the present case, since the law has been amended with retrospective effect and which has been upheld by the Delhi High Court, and after that the Honorable Supreme Court has also upheld the validity of the retrospective amendment, so the miscellaneous application allowed by the revenue by the tribunal is justified. Friends, this case is very important because as all we know that whenever there are relief given by the tribunals on a single issue in a multiple number of cases, then generally it happens that the revenue brings some retrospective amendment, like in the recent past on 25th March 2026 the section 292 BC has been amended, and in that amendment it was held by the legislature that whatever the approvals are there by the various authorities, those approvals will be administrative in nature and not in quasi-judicial nature. So this case has a very fair chances that the revenue will file the miscellaneous applications in all those cases in which the relief has been given by various tribunals, where the assessments have been quashed on the mechanical approval, whether it is mechanical approval under section 151 or under 153D. So in nutshell, it can be said that the retrospective amendments are not good for the faith of the assessee in the legislature. It can just multiply the various litigation and it will never stop the wheel of litigation, and it is very bad for the tax administration system. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 186 taxman.com 932, and the date of the judgment is 13th May 2026, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court. Thank you, friends.